No one would ever help an old lady like you, you homeless losers.
Oh my god. Dora, did you just talk rude to a poor elderly lady? Let's go home right now. And stop touching my but you worthless.
The big Black Friday at our Petco location has just begun. You can all come in and buy any pet you want that are free but only for a short limit of time.
Ew, this is the cutest one ever.
Dora, where the fuck were ya? It's now past midnight.
I went to Petco when I was told not to.
Dora, how dare you disobey me? That's it. You and your dog are now grounded until further notice.
But I am not going in my room.
Go there now or you are grounded for life bastard.
What?
H2.
Hey! There's no talking. Calm down. And don't hurt my boyfriend like that. Shut up and it's none of your business. Hey, get out of here and never come back.
Hey, you need to sit down and don't talk too much, and just because he sneezed that doesn't mean you have to be strict and firm and started this whole thing.
Does it look like I get it now?
Whoa. What the hell is all the meeting of this?
Well, someone sneezed and Dora started being extremely firm to everybody in this room, yelled at Julian and made everyone cry, and I didn't say anything, so I didn't risk getting yelled.
Dora, enough with your goddamn threats. That's it. I am sending you straight to the principal's office right now.
Screw you guys, you don't win.